One of our all-time favorite recipes in the Instant Pot is teriyaki chicken tacos. Gosh, super delicate, fall apart teriyaki chicken thighs with some pineapple, red onion, and a bunch of teriyaki sauce, all wrapped in a street taco size flour tortilla, and the plate filled up with some macaroni salad and some white rice. My God, doesn't get much better than that. That's me. I'm Instant Pot Dave of TheWildWaynes, and I'm gonna eat this taco. Yeah, holy teriyaki chicken taco. Let's start off our teriyaki sauce with some diced garlic and diced ginger. We'll slide that into a 1 gallon Ziploc bag. We're gonna add some soy sauce, pineapple juice, a little sesame oil. And we'll dump that into our Ziploc bag. Let's sweeten it up with a little brown sugar, and let's give it some twang with some apple cider vinegar. Zip it up, shake it up real good. Stuff it full of skinless, boneless chicken thighs. Shake it up real good, get all the air out of there, zip up that bag. Throw it in your RV refrigerator. You need an RV refrigerator. Hey, you gotta buy an RV. Let it sit in there for that refrigerator for at least an hour, up 12 hours. Let's rub some oil into a cold pot just to make cleaning up a little bit easier. And put a trivet in there, and then we'll stack up our marinated chicken thighs. We'll dump our teriyaki sauce in there. There's a bunch of goodness in there. You want to get that spread around the chicken. We'll lid it and seal it and pressure cook for 18 minutes. And while that's doing that, we're going to slice up some pineapple. Take the skin off and get all the little eyeballs out of there. There you go. Cut that pineapple into quarters and then cut the core off. And let's slice about 1/4 inch slices of pineapple. And then we will thin slice some red onion. And let's make our slurry with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it up real good. And it's break time. Time for a drink. Okay, let's get back to it. Okay, let's kick off that seal after the 18 minutes is up. Take the lid off. Let's pull those chicken thighs out of there. Get the trivet out of there. Let's cover up that chicken and let it sit for a little bit. Stir up our cornstarch slurry. Cancel our pressure cook. Hit saute. Stir in that slurry. And we'll let that teriyaki sauce simmer a little bit, stirring along the way until it gets just as thick as you want it, a little velvety. And we'll hit cancel on the Instant Pot. Let's slice up some teriyaki chicken thighs. Cut against the grain. And it'll just fall apart. Oh my gosh. Doesn't that look good? Got a couple hot tortillas, tongue full of teriyaki chicken thighs, a slice of pineapple on each one, and a little bit of red onion. And let's dump a bunch of that teriyaki sauce on those tacos. Oh my! Alright, let's fill up our plate with some sweet macaroni salad and some white rice. Oh my gosh. Alright. Let's sit down. Time to have some dinner. That's a good looking teriyaki chicken taco. I do love these tacos. Hey kids, how you doing? Alright, let's finish up this taco. Oh, that pineapple. If you guys like what you watched here, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. We'll send you a new video when we get it out there. And if you do want to try this recipe, we have a link to this recipe in this video's description. It'll take you right to our website. The recipe's right there. Go ahead and print it off and take a picture of it, whatever you want to do. Thank you, everybody. We appreciate you very much. Take care of yourselves out there. Be careful, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.